Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook minute rice in the microwave. It's incredibly fast and easy, perfect for those busy days when you need a quick side dish or a base for your favorite meal. We'll go over the simple steps, the right water-to-rice ratio, and the ideal microwave cooking times to ensure you get perfectly fluffy rice every single time. Get ready to master this kitchen essential in just a few minutes. Before we start cooking, let's gather our few simple items. You'll need your minute rice, of course, along with some water. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl that's large enough to hold your rice and water comfortably. A measuring cup is also essential to get those proportions just right, and a spoon or fork will come in handy for a quick stir. That's all it takes to get started. Now for the cooking. It's incredibly simple. Combine equal parts minute rice and water in your microwave-safe bowl. Stir gently to ensure all rice is submerged. Then, microwave on high for about 1 minute per serving. After cooking, let it stand, covered, for 5 minutes. This crucial standing time allows the rice to steam perfectly, giving you that ideal fluffy texture every time. It's a quick and easy way to get delicious rice on your plate. To ensure your minute rice is always perfect, here are a few extra tips. If you prefer your rice a little softer or firmer, you can slightly adjust the amount of water next time. Always remember to fluff the rice with a fork before serving. This helps separate the grains and makes it wonderfully airy. Serve your freshly cooked rice immediately as a fantastic side dish or as the base for your favorite stir-fry or curry. Enjoy your perfectly cooked minute rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.